If your nails break the minute they grow, which holds you back from growing the beautiful, feminine, natural nails that you desire, then my name is Ashley and I'm a personal nail coach who has helped over 100 women grow and transform their natural nails. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 popular nail products secretly destroying your nails and what to use instead so you can finally grow the natural nails you desire with simplicity, just like my clients. So the first product secretly destroying your nails is these cheap $1 and $2 nail clippers. I had a client who used to get these type of nail clippers at her local beauty store, and one thing I noticed is after she would clip her nails, they would jag and split way more, and here's why. Cheap nail clippers are dull, which means anytime you use it on your nails, you would have to apply way more pressure on your nails for it to actually cut through it. And because you're applying so much extra pressure, instead of cutting your nail, it's actually crushing it. And that is why you're going to notice a lot more jags and splits with cheaper nail clippers. Instead, I recommend investing in a high quality nail clipper that uses material like stainless steel, because once you use it, it just clips your nails with very little pressure because it's much sharper. And the one I recommend is the one from Mr. Green on Amazon. Now, the second nail product secretly destroying your nails is shockingly the nail hardener. And I know you don't believe me, so let me show you a photo of my client's nails who was using a nail hardener before we started working together. Now, she doesn't have the nail hardener on in this picture, but notice how her nails are still splitting and peeling. And here's why. Nail hardeners don't actually fix your peeling weak nail. What it does is that it sticks to the existing peels just like tape and makes it even worse once you remove it. Instead, the number one product I recommend using to fix your current nail peels is the OPI repair mode. What the repair mode does is that it holds your current nail peels in place so they don't get worse and turn into tears. All you do is apply it to your bare nails twice a day for 6 days, and it holds your peels in place like you can see in the photo here. And the third product that will completely wreck your nails is hard gel polish. In fact, I had a client who went to a nail salon that promised her nails would grow beautiful and long if she used this hard gel polish. So she got the service done, but felt like something was off, and that was confirmed when she tried removing this hard gel polish. After soaking her nails in acetone for a million years, her nails still look like this, and they were weak and falling apart. And here is why. You cannot remove hard gel polish from your nails because the bonds in hard gel polish are so tight, acetone cannot get in between those bonds and break it down and remove the gel polish. Which means the minute you get hard gel polish done, you are left with a thin layer of hard gel on your nails for months. And when your nails are not getting the nutrients and nourishment they need for months, because this hard gel is blocking them, they become very weak and brittle over time. But here's what I recommend you do instead to actually get your nails to grow and bounce back, just like my client. It's using nail growth oil at least once a day. Just like plants need water every single day to thrive, your nails need nail growth oil at least once a day to grow. And without it, your nails are on the same exact track as this plant not being watered. And if you are interested in the nail growth oils I now make for my clients, check the link in the description. So the fourth product that will mess up your nails just like it messed up mine is the regular nail file. Back in my early days of nail care, when I knew absolutely nothing and was clueless, I would just go on Amazon, find the cheapest pack of nail files, and saw away at my nails. And what would happen after I would do this was that my nails would split and peel in layers, and here's why. Not all nail files are the same. There are nail files that are really rough that are meant to cut through the plastic of fake nails, and ones that are much softer that are meant for natural ones. Because I was using a nail file with a roughness of 100, it was splitting my nails left and right. But what I recommend doing to avoid this is making the switch to a glass nail file. It is much softer and won't cause your nails to jag and split, and you just follow your nails in one direction for a nice clean finish. By far, the best glass nail file I recommend is the one from Bonafide Beauty that you can get on Amazon. Now, the fifth product completely ruining your nails is the 4-way buffing block for shine. And let me actually show you how this destroys your nails. Imagine for a second that your nails were just like this deck of cards with a set amount of cards in each deck. And you decide in order to make this card more shiny that you're going to rub this block on the card like this. Now, it may look nice and shiny at first, but what you don't notice is that every single time you rub this block on the cards, it removes cards from that deck. So when you do this week after week after week, you go from having a thick stack of cards to a thin, flimsy one that completely falls apart. And this is exactly what happens when you use a four-way buffing block like this on your nails. What it secretly does is that it actually removes layers of your natural nails, which makes them thin, flimsy, and break very easily. Instead of rubbing imperfections away with this block, the key to getting a nice natural nail shine is strengthening your weak nail base. Now, once you do that, your nails will thrive unless you accidentally do one of these common habits that will destroy your nails. And if you want to know what they are, check the video here.